myself. I am Harish Bhave. I am from MP, Madhya Pradesh, and I am a businessman. I have my own medical retail shop, and I have two kids. My elder daughter is 14-year-old. My son is 11-year-old, and we all are enjoying life.
Well, and myself, gyanagnihotrica, and I'm from CD,
Okay.
Madhya Pradesh. Yes. So, yes. So, can you speak about your English learning journey?
Yes, actually, from last 6 months, I am practicing, and now I am getting very good results because of my consistent, because of my focus approach, because of dedication. Now I am able to speak. Earlier, it was very difficult for me to speak like this, but now that not that much tough. Words are coming out of my mouth easily. Earlier, it was very. I means whenever I wanted to speak something, it is very tough for me to speak that time. But now it's very easy.
Yes. Well. So, what do you think? What is the meaning of fluency? What is actually fluency mean?
Fluency means you can articulate your thoughts in easy manner with speed. So that is the fluency. And what you want to say, the other person should know, and that is the main communication. Means what you want to convey your thoughts or your message, the other person must know what you are saying or what you are telling. If you understand what you mean, it means that you are a good communicator.
Well, so actually, the fluency means there is 6 elements in fluency, and the major portion of the fluency is about that your mindset. Do you feel yourself confident that you are able to speak about anything? And in English fluency, there is one aspect that is called listening comprehension. Means that you are not only able to understand something, but whatever you have listened, are you able to say same concept in your own words naturally, without agitation? That is called the fluency. Yes, so yes, actually, I am also a English trainer. Online, I teach students to speak fluent English. So I make students fluent English. I teach them.
Oh, very good. Hmm.
Yes.
Yes, it's very good. You are doing very good job and keep the good work going. Because nowadays I have seen many people. They all people they want to good in their communication, and now it's a need also because the English is a global language. If you go anywhere, if you want to sell any product, if you know English, you can easily sell your products, or you can achieve any success, any type of success if your communication is good.
Yes. Actually, I'm telling you in English language. So now I have a question to you. What do you think? What is the best method to learn English? What is the best way to learn English?
Okay, as I can say about myself that what I did and how I now able to speak. So I will say that if you will listen carefully and if you will listen a lot, then automatically it will be better for you to speak. While speaking, you can get many what you have heard that you can speak it out. So, in my opinion, speaking is very means listening is very important. I will give 50 more than 50% for learning for listening, and 20% for reading, and 30% for speaking. If you are a good listener, if you are a good reader, then you can become a good speaker. No doubt in that.
Yes. Well, basically, I would like to suggest you here is the first thing is that the listening and speaking. So that is the two part of a coin. Whatever you are listening, instantly speak same thing. I would like to just give you a tip, a free tip. The best way to speak fluent English is watching and modeling. Watch a video. Watch a 2 or 3 minute short video of a story or anything, and then try to speak same concept in your own words. This will absolutely transform your English. You do not require any partner to practice, no teacher, nothing. And just phrase, learn English in the phrase. I'm telling you because I am a trainer. So if you are interested to just learn with me more, you can join with me more session.
Yes, yes, no problem, no problem. I would like to join you because I
So
am very passionate and I want to be a good speaker within 2 3 months because one purpose I have that I have to go to UK also in last week of October. So I thought that this is the high time. I still have 2.5 months, so I should utilize my this 2.5 months for my improving my communication, and I'm ready to join you. No problem in that.
yes, if you're really interested to learn English speaking to fluent level and next level, I would like to suggest you just join classes and join with me Zoom, where I will teach you lots of other ideas to speak more clear, more powerful English.
Okay, okay,
And
no problem. I will
and
join
casual
you.
conversation. This kind casual conversation will not help you after a certain extent.
Yes,
After
yes,
a certain extent, that is not going to work. To speak more clearly and more powerfully, you need to learn some the phrases. Phrase. Phrase means the group of words, right? Group of words, right? So I'm just giving you one phrase. जैसे अभी आपने बोला कि जहां तक मेरा सवाल है, वन जैसे हमको बोलना है कि मेरी जहाँ कोई राय है, मेरी ओपिनियन है, या कि मैं अपने बारे में बता रहा हूँ, तो उसको बोलने का तरीका क्या है? जहां तक मेरा सवाल है, तो उसको बोल सकते हैं कैसे? एज फार एज आई एम कंसर्न, one phrase. This is one phrase. So phrase is the group of words, 4 to 5 words. Pick out and just speak together. As far as I am concerned, so, so you can
yes,
say, as far as I'm concerned, I am looking forward to go UK for 3 months. This is the way. So you can speak about anything. This is the way. So the best way to learn English is learning the phrase, learning the group of words per day, and this will absolutely
yes,
transform you. Yes.
yes. You're absolutely right.
So yes, yes. So can you tell me a little bit more about yourself?
Uh, yes, I am a businessman. I am from this business from last 20 years, and yes, everything is fine here. And actually, I tried many times to learn this language 3 years back, 5 years back, but that time I was not consistent. I do not have that time. I did not have that time a focus or any purpose. So 2 3 days, 5 days I work, and then I left in midway. So, but this time I thought that now this is the high time. I have to be a good speaker anyhow. From last 6 months, I am continuously practicing. I am continuously watching all type of videos. And I one more thing I am doing from last, I can say from last 6 months, that whatever I listen that the same video 3 to 4 times. So what happened when I listen that video 3 to 4 times, I get all the things what they are conversing or what they are telling. So automatically my grasping power is increasing, and because of that grasping power, now I am able to speak. I am able to articulate my thoughts easily. So listening is very important. I always say that listening gives you many things, not only fluency, but also you get the good general knowledge. You get all the things very easily. So listening is very important. And as I can say you, as I listen my mother tongue when I was kid, that time I listened my mother tongue. That's why I could speak my mother tongue. So listening is very important. That is one funda I can understand, and this is the very important thing. I told you also.
Yes, I would like to just share you the three ideas to speak more powerful and better English. Once you will join with me the Zoom, where I teach students in the Zoom. So I
Okay.
recently, 2 days back, I started just learning speaking in front of the Skype. I teach students
Okay.
on the Zoom. Once you will join with the Zoom, then I will give you lots of idea and way to speak English. But I would like to just give you three simple ideas to speaking good English. The first idea is watch. Once you are watching somebody something, so don't try to understand it. No. The problem is that we try to understand. That's why we are able to understand everything, but we are not able to speak the same thing. So try to focus how he is framing sentences. Somebody who is speaking English, focus how he is framing sentences.
Yeah, that yes, very good.
And this will absolutely transform English. First thing. Second thing, that the focus where he is taking pauses, how he is completing sentence, and how he is starting another sentence. This is very important. The more you will focus on these aspects, the better you will speak. And the most important thing is chunks. Focus on the chunks group of words. If you're interested, so then let's listen, let's watch a 2 minute video clip and then try to speak.
Okay.
Yes, I am playing a clip.
Okay.
It's very powerful. So actually it's still. So actually this screen is not getting set. I think some issue.
Okay, no
So
problem. We can connect on Zoom and then you
in
will
Zoom
tell
where I
me.
will just give you the how to connect this. So watch the video then try to speak. Yes. So can you tell me a little bit more about your business and about your city?
Okay, I belong to district Chinwara. It is located near Maharashtra border. It is near to Nagpur. Nagpur is just 120 kilometers from Chinwara. And it is a very nice place and very cool and calm place. People here are very nice and business is also very good. And everything is the developed, I can say, compared to other cities, it is developed city. And I like the city very much. And yes, my business, medical business, as you know, the one of the best business I can say because as compared to other business, medical business, still I can say that one of the best business, and it will we go long and long, mean long lasting business I can say. And yes, I like this business, and I am from 20 years. I am doing the same thing, so now I am very happy with that business. I do not means I will not want any other business to start. I am satisfied with this business.
About the Chhindwara because I am also from Madhya Pradesh itself. So
Yes,
I have
yes,
lots of
yes.
friends from Chhindwara. Lots of friends from Chhindwara.
Oh, very good, very good.
Should about the second thing is YouTube. Learning English from YouTube. Lots of students.
I am
Do you
not
think that's
getting
a
your
real?
voice clearly. There must some problem in your side, network problem, I think, because
No, no.
you are not clear.
Yes, now it's clear.
Your voice
Actually,
is your voice is not clear.
I don't know that what is the reason. But actually, the network is here okay. It's raining outside, but network is okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
So now the YouTube, learning English from YouTube. What do you think? It's a good idea. Lots of people are learning English and other things from YouTube.
Yes. Yes. Hello. Actually,
Hello.
your video is stuck. I could not see you.
Hello. Now you're getting. Hello.
No, nothing, nothing.
Hello.
Hello, no,
Now
no.
you're
I'm
getting.
not getting. No, nothing.